You deserve the same opportunities and protections as others, regardless of your race, religion, or other personal characteristics. Civil rights laws help protect you from discrimination and mistreatment in law enforcement, education, employment, voting, and other significant areas of life. Unfortunately, people's civil rights are violated every day. When people, organizations, or the government violate your fundamental rights, a civil rights lawyer in North and South Carolina can help you fight back. Some of the most common types of civil rights violations include police brutality and misconduct, malicious prosecution, prison abuse, education discrimination, employment discrimination, and voting rights restrictions. Let me give you an idea of how each of these violations can occur to innocent people. While police officers are sworn to serve and protect citizens, some officers abuse their position of power and use it to victimize others. For instance, police brutality occurs when an officer uses unwarranted and excessive force. And police misconduct occurs when an officer acts illegally or unethically to deprive you of your constitutional rights. Malicious prosecution is when the government uses prosecution or the threat of prosecution against you for an improper purpose, such as to intimidate or harass you. It can also refer to improper actions related to prosecution, such as fabrication of evidence. Malicious prosecution applies to both criminal and civil cases in North and South Carolina. Prison abuse is the mistreatment of individuals while they are under arrest or incarcerated, and it can include physical, psychological, and sexual abuse. Prison abuse can also include civil rights violations like unjust solitary confinement, denial of activities or visitation, and other mistreatment. Students have civil rights too and should be protected from discrimination and abuse. An example of education discrimination is when a student is unjustly barred from participating in certain classes or activities due to the student being a member of a protected class, such as race, religion, national origin, ethnicity, or disability. Discrimination can happen at every level of education, from kindergarten to grad school. Many qualified candidates are refused work for reasons that have nothing to do with their abilities. Others are denied promotions or suffer prejudice, unfair treatment, or abuse at work due to their race, skin color, religion, national origin, age, gender, or disability status. Employment discrimination can be very subtle and take on many forms at the workplace. Having a vote is one of our most fundamental rights. It gives us a voice. Unfortunately, some institutions may try to deprive us of our votes or try to devalue them by gerrymandering or voter suppression. When our right to vote is threatened, it undermines the very foundations of our country. When it comes to civil rights, navigating the legal system can be a daunting task. A civil rights attorney can help you pursue justice in many ways, such as providing objective advice and support, conducting research and analysis to build your case, reviewing medical examiner reports and autopsy reports if needed, investigating prison policies and practices, as well as the disciplinary records of prison guards and employees, investigating law enforcement recordings, reports, policies, and practices, filing a complaint in state and/or federal court if needed, negotiating possible resolutions, and representing you in court if necessary. Were you denied equal opportunities or protections that you are legally entitled to? If your civil rights were violated in North or South Carolina, we are ready to fight for you. At the law offices of James Scott Farron, we have the experience and resources to help you fight for justice for the harms and losses that you may have suffered. For a free evaluation and professional opinion of your case with no obligation, simply call or visit us online today.